cheese spread brick, cheese powder, cheese square biscuit, cheese sauce. Haute plate. The cheese is prepared by crushing the cheese, rolling the cheese, cutting the cheese, extracting the cheese, wetting the cheese, delicately filling the cheese with cheese, crimping the cheese, chef's pose 1 and forming the cheese. Watch it expand in anticipation. Or the single cheesy cheese ravioli crown. The 5-finger crumble of crushed cheese biscuit. Cheddar on cheddar on cheddar cheese. And a powdery sprinkle of cheesy cheese dust. I cheese, you cheese, we all cheese, for cheese, please.